This week on Tripping with George.
That's a great area to stay, in my opinion. I've really enjoyed staying here. My road is right next to Korean town. Listen to the sizzle. Massive, massive cockroach in the bathroom. You evil fucking bastard. Now it is time for the party trick. 3, 2, 1. Today I am going to show you my $40 a night Airbnb in the heart of Bangkok.
Stack and I stack. I need a whip that go fast. I am not what you expect. Only collecting my check. Off at your neck, I'm real. You switching up on our deal. I just put my hand on my steel.
The condo that I've been staying at is a condo called Circle Rain. It's on the Sukhumvit road down Soi 12. Now, that's a great area to stay, in my opinion. I've really enjoyed staying here. You come out of Soi 12, you've got Nana to the left, you've got Asoke to the right. You're a 10-minute to the Asoke BTS walk from the condo. You've got Terminal 21 right there. You've literally got everything around you. So for me, location-wise, it has been absolutely banging.
I pull it out if you ain't gonna use it. I pull out my stick, I abuse it. None of you motherfuckers ruthless. I leave on you motherfuckers toothless. Yeah, I stack and I stack. I need a whip that go fast. I am not what you expect. Only collecting my check. Off at your neck, I'm real.
Please subscribe with notifications on.
Alright, cool. So starting with the kitchen, we've got a hob here, basic stuff, a frying pan, a little pan there. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's basic kitchen, right? Everything that you'd expect. We've got a microwave up here, so you can do some cooking in here. Got a washing machine. This is fantastic to see. Super happy that, obviously traveling light. Haven't bought that many clothes, so very appreciative that I can actually wash my clothes. Also, Bangkok is humid AF, so these clothes are going to need a clean, sharpish. Nice big fridge though. Yeah, a lot of space in here. Definitely not going to be utilising all this. If I'm staying here for a longer stay. And moving on to the bathroom. Nice big bathroom. Let me put this down. Some sort of animal. Yeah, nice big bathroom, to be fair. Got a lot of time for this. Nice deep bath. Love this. Yeah, it's just clean, it's modern, I like it. Now moving into the main living area, got a nice little seating area here. Can't complain, nice little 2 seats, very nice. Got the TV. The TV does have YouTube and Netflix on it. Really happy that I can actually watch some Netflix now. We've got the bed here. So the bed actually folds up into a chair. Now I'm not gonna do that and I can't be bothered to do it because I'm just gonna leave the bed out and I'm gonna get back at the end of the day. And the last thing I'm gonna do is actually come back and wanna pull this down. But it does fold up into a chair and give you a slightly bigger living space. A nice little seating area over here, so this is where I'll probably do a little bit of work, maybe a few recordings. And yeah, I mean, there's not much of a view if I am honest, but there is a view. Now what I do like is you've got a little outside area here. This is going to be really good because 1, I can dry my clothes, brilliant, and 2, I can get high. I can get high right there and come back in here and KO. But now it is time for the party trick. 3, 2, 1. Got a lot of time for this. So as you can see, nice and basic, nothing too fancy, anything like that. I mean, it's got all the basics, and for me, I love a simple life. I've got a bed, I've got a TV, somewhere to hang my clothes, somewhere to put my water in the fridge, and somewhere to clean myself. Then I'm happy. I don't need anything more than that. So for me, at the moment, it's ticking all the boxes. But what I'm going to do now is catch a little bit of B-roll of the building just to show you what that's like, and then I'm going to go and find food at one of the nearby food places. So let's check out the local area. So it turns out that my road is right next to Korean town, which is absolutely ideal. I am over the moon with that. I love Korean food, so I'm gonna go and check some of this out now. So I've just come to eat at a lovely little Korean spot in Korean town, so we'll see what the food's saying.
Got my budget. If you hate how I
This food looks ridiculous. Listen to the sizzle.
Just want to say, if you are enjoying this video, please think about giving it a like and even the channel a subscribe. Thank you so much. Now, definitely one of the best things about staying on Soi 12 on the Sukhumvit Road is the really good street vendors that you've got down here. I mean, literally, it's so nice to like walk back from the gym in the morning. You've got fresh fruit, you've got coconuts, you've got fresh juice. Really, really, really nice cooked warm street food that you can get here. So I'm gonna go in a little bit of chicken now. Now, where I usually like to go to is there's a really, really nice lady here who's got some amazing, amazing street food. I usually come here to get some like chicken, vegetables, a couple of fried eggs, take that back with me to the condo. Highly recommend if you're staying on this road, or even if you're just near the general area, come out and check out the street food vendors that we've got down here. It's really, really, really good food and super, super cheap as well. Now, caveat, something to be aware of. One, there's a lot of rats. Like, you might walk down here and you see a lot of rats running right down the back of where the food's served. So that's just something to be mindful of. Secondly, if you walk down here at night, it's like a fucking toilet. All you got is motherfuckers pissing. So as long as you don't mind rats and as long as you don't mind a bit of piss around your food, check it out.
You gon' need to come up missing. I got pounds, I got ounces, I got grams, I got quarters, and the devil in my brain just come and place your order. What is love? I don't know. If I see dollar sign, I just grab it and I go. I used to be insane way before they wanted more. Gotta hop up in the sprint, I might just pop up at a show. You already.
So one absolutely terrible thing about this place is that there was a massive, massive cockroach in the bathroom. The biggest cunt I've ever seen in my life. It was about this big with tentacles like this, and the ground that thing covers in like a split second is ridiculous. It's like having a bird in your bathroom. I've not seen it for 2 days, and I've currently had to block the underneath of the door just out of fear, really. Pure terror. Shit. Shit. There's the... Oh, you evil bastard. This is what any grown man would do when confronted with such an obstacle, and that is have a wash in the kitchen sink.
Bill, y'all, we play big ball. I've been kicking shit since you was a jit dog. He gon' slide, he ain't bulletproof.